Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am memory planning for Easter week. You will see me at different angles for this video. I did try to go live on YouTube as well as Instagram. However, my phone was giving me some issues. On YouTube it kept going black and basically turning off the camera, and then on Instagram I couldn't really see the comments going up, so I ended up just finishing everything on my phone, which I will talk about again in just a minute. But I hope you all enjoy this video, and I am going to try to talk through this time. So the kit that I am using is from Papercrownplanner, and she now offers a floral deco sheet with the kit. So I ended up printing that out, which is what I'm using for the date cover deco. And then the garlands with the bunnies are from Rose Gold Paper Co. And I now PR for that shop, so you can use code Quen20 to save 20% off plus my freebie. So for my month area, I used this beautiful foiled circle from Paper Trail Plans, and I layered it with a decorative circle box from the kit, and I thought that was really pretty. And then the little bunnies are also from Rose Gold Paper Co. And then the April script is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. I had to think about that. Yes, Alyssa's Craft Shop. So I am recording the rest of this on my phone. I recorded some on YouTube, and I also recorded some on Instagram. My phone is not like picking up right or recording right. When I was doing it on, make sure this is straight. So when I was doing it on YouTube, my phone kept turning off for some reason. So I'm just gonna finish doing my plans here. I'm gonna finish laying down my base first. So of course I am using the doll from Red Lyrics, and I really liked her outfit, and her the yellow just screamed Easter, so I wanted to put her in for this week. And I used a frame box behind her from Little Bloom Papery, and then tried to fill in a little bit more space by using a habit tracker. I'm not gonna mark anything on the habit tracker, I just wanted to fill in a bit more space. I also added in this deco here with the little bird on the branch there, but then I do end up changing it because I realized the same image was in the full box above her. And then there was some butterflies also in the printable kit, and I thought that was really cute, so I added that as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and put music over the rest of this portion, and I will be back for the day by day. So on Monday, I wanted to mark that I got discharged from the hospital, and I wanted to use the little card here from White Deer Stationery. And I also got boba this day. I just got the tiger milk tea with extra brown sugar, which has been really good. The boba time script is from Lilac Luna Plans, who unfortunately is no longer open. And then I used the cold drink icon from White Deer Stationery. And the little squish squiggle thing here that you see is from Rose Gold Paperco as well. And then I wanted to mark going to my aunt's house. So then moving on to Tuesday, I used the thinner like bottom washi that she had to like make this area kind of like one. So I did that, and I used this area to mark physical therapy, which actually was a big chunk of my day, so I wanted to just take up the space here. I didn't know what else to put there. I could have added some more deco now that I'm thinking about it, because that's what I did on the other side. And I didn't mention, but the bunny headers are also from Rose Gold Paperco, and the bicycle icon that I'm putting down now is from Paper Muse Craft. I probably did a lot of resting after therapy this day as well. So I'm pulling in a scallop corner from Panda Bird Designs. And then there was also one from the kit that I layered on top of it. And I wanted to mark having dinner. We ended up having like fish and broccoli and something. I don't remember everything, but I know we had fish, and I know it was really yummy. That my aunt made. Moving on to Wednesday, I pulled in this double frame box again from Rose Gold Paperco, and I did foil these myself. And then I had some little dangles from Sadie's stickers that I wanted to use as well. In this area, I'm just marking that I did a lot of crocheting this day, just on the couch, sitting down, watching TV and crocheting. The crochet script is from Williowwaysticker. I do PR for her. You can use code Quen15 to save 15% off plus my freebie. She offers so many on one sheet. I didn't even count, but it looks like 30 on one sheet. So like I said, I did a lot of crocheting and just watching TV. So I pulled in the Hulu binge script from Meg B Makes, and then the TV icon from Paper Muse Craft. I also pulled in the bow divider from Rose Gold Paperco. And then the last thing that I'm marking is that I called the doctor, and I pulled in the little telephone from White Deer Stationery, and then called Dr. Script from JK Creates Co. And that's my first half. Of course, I wanted to go back and add some butterflies. I'm sorry if you hear my stomach growling. So moving on to Thursday, I pulled in some garlands, and then the dangle again from Sadie's stickers. Pulled in a midi box from the kit. I wanted to mark having tea because they put the tube down my throat during the surgery, and my throat was just really sore and it just hurt. So I drank some tea. It was really good. And then later, before going to physical therapy, we got chicken nuggets. So I pulled in this embellishment from JK Creates Co. And then the circle is from the kit. And then the chicken nugget icon is from Sissysprintsco. This one is not in her shop, but let me know if you want me to ask her to bring it back. because it's burgers and chicken nuggets on there. It's so cute. And then next was physical therapy, and I was so ready to go home. I ended up doing 10 steps this day, and I was really tired, but you know, I was just really ready to go home to the boys, my babies. So here I'm writing home sweet home because I was home this day, finally, using that double frame box again from Rose Gold Paper Co. Pulling in the house icon from White Deer Stationery. Added some florals in the cute little bunny and a butterfly from Sadie's Stickers. And then later that day, basically just a lot of resting, you know. Couldn't really do much anyway, so yeah, a lot of resting. And I'm doing the same thing here where I added the thin Kiss Cut washi from the kit and just kind of boxed it in. I think that's really cute to mark like a block of time. Here I'm putting the pillow from Papercrownplanner as well. I love the little eyes on it, just to mark that I was resting. On Saturday, I again, a lot of resting, but I tried to change it up how I marked it every time. So here I used some embellishments from JK Creates Co. and the little bedroom shoe slippers from White Deer Stationery. Next, I'm pulling in a midi box and some florals and this cute little character from Sissysprintsco to mark a YouTube binge. And just added a butterfly from Sadie's Stickers. I do PR for Sissysprintsco. You can use Quen 15 to save. And nothing else to mark this day, so I pulled in a half mandala from Vanilla Paper Co. and some florals. And then I went back just to add some deco to the area where I was doing a lot of resting. So on to Easter Sunday, I used a circle from Vanilla Paper Co. and layered this floral midi framed box from the kit. The Happy Easter script is from Paper Trail Plans, and then just added the butterfly and the bunny. I just tried to keep that going kind of throughout the spread. And I'm using the frame box here from Little Bloom Papery. And I'm marking that the kids went Easter egg hunting at their aunt's house, and they brought so much candy back. And of course I had to take a look at their candy so I can see if I wanted to eat some of it. You guys, they had so much candy, so they wouldn't even miss it. And the cute little basket is from White Deer Stationery. And then the last thing that I'm marking is that I watered the plants. You guys know that I now have my monstera plant as well as my succulent, and the water plant script is from Paper Trail Plans. And I'm just ending with some butterflies. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Bye.